Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Pamar.
How could you do this to me? With my best friend of all people.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what to say.
Sorry. That's all you have to say. Sorry doesn't cut it. You betrayed me in the worst possible way.
I know, and I hate myself for it. It was a terrible mistake.
A mistake. Dating my best friend wasn't a mistake, it was a choice.
I know, and I regret it more than anything. I never meant to hurt you.
Well, you did. How could I ever trust you again? You've shattered everything we had.
Please, give me a chance to make it up to you. I will do anything to make it right. Please give me a chance to fix things.
Fix things? There's no fixing this. You broke my heart.
I will do whatever it takes to earn your forgiveness, I swear. I will spend the rest of my life proving that I have changed. I will do whatever it takes to earn back your trust.
I don't even know if I can look at you right now. I need some time alone to figure things out. Just leave me alone for now.
Okay, I understand. I will give you the space you need, but please, you know that I love you, and I will be here when you are ready to talk.
I can't believe that my partner cheated on me with my best friend.
Oh no, I am so sorry to hear that. How are you holding up?
I'm just devastated. I trusted them both so much. I don't even know what to do.
It's completely understandable to feel that way. Take your time to process everything. And remember, you deserve better than him.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video then please subscribe to our channel.